Hi guys, Sandy Ingram here. Yes, the Iraqi Dinar is listed on the Forex market. Thus, it already has a place in the second largest financial trading platform in the world. The Forex market trades $5 trillion a day. You heard me correctly, $5 trillion. So let's explore this beast of a market and see about getting profit from our exotic currency investments. Are you ready? Then let's get started. First of all, you want to stick with this video all the way through. Each and every point that I make is important and crucial to your investment in foreign currency, i.e. the Vietnam dong, Malaysian currency, and the Iraqi dinar. However, there is something else going on that I think you should be aware of. There is a 500-ton gorilla hovering over your shoulder. You may not see him, but he's there, and I want to introduce you to him so that you have a better understanding of your foreign currency investment. Now, you don't have to like this gorilla, but if you pet him and be nice to him, he might share with you the millions of dollars he creates for individuals, corporations, and governments each day, or not. You see, the Iraqi dinar that many of us hold are considered to be an exotic currency. We need to understand who is labeling our investment and why. And more than that, we need to understand why they are so comfortable with saying the IQD won't increase in value. The entire $5 trillion a day Forex platform is basically controlled by Deutsche Bank. Assets rank around 17th in the world, yet the German bank controls 20% of the Forex market share. They are a worldwide bank with headquarters in Frankfurt, Germany. UBS is out of Switzerland and operates in 50 countries. Citibank, baby gorilla, is hiding. They are headquartered in New York City. There are a total of 10 banks that control right around 80% of the market share on the Forex platform. The top 3 banks control 43% of the market share. So you may be asking yourself, why is this woman talking about a market where the banks control 80% of the market share? And here's my answer. I'm sharing this information with you because to me and for me, this is a monkey see, monkey do kind of investment. When the baby gorillas, I mean the big banks, buy, you buy. When they sell, you sell. But first, you must learn about the market. And unfortunately, I'm not the one to teach it to you. I am not an expert or even experienced in that area. But here's what I want you to do. You see, they would have you believe that you need an exceptionally high IQ to trade and make money in the Forex market. This is simply not true. You only need the right tools, the right instructor, and self-discipline. The day you purchased the Vietnam dong or the Iraqi dinar, you became a foreign currency investor. And the day you exchange either of these currencies for a profit, you're going to be taxed. And since you're already in the foreign currency investment category, why not learn more about the industry? I recommend the book Forex for Beginners by Anna Koodling, a Forex trader in the UK. She has a series of books and a vast amount of experience on the subject. Now, I like her because I believe that Anna could teach a preschooler the basics about trading. So that's why I selected her. And I also selected her because she doesn't go off on a tangent on all these different trading strategies. The link is in the description, and the book is free with Kindle Unlimited. You will also gain insight into the power of the bankers and how the Iraqi dinar might survive a $5 trillion a day beast called the Forex or the gorilla. If you keep reading the book, you'll understand what to do while you're waiting for your exotic currencies to increase in value. It's all about the power of information. If you avoid greed and employ wisdom, you will prosper. You already have the mentality to prosper. You've already gone out and purchased Iraqi dinars, regardless of how far or how close we are to that, to our investment materializing. You already have it in your mind, foresight. Read the book. You'll understand. If you don't have a Kindle Unlimited account, the link is in the description, and you can just out and out purchase the book. I believe it's under $5. This is not about affiliate income as much as it is about you understanding your foreign currency. You may want to ask yourself, is the Iraqi dinar currency a silent war between government and bankers? You know the drill.